This conference will now be recorded.
Loud and clear. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining this session. So, warm welcome from my side. My name is Ahmad. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So, my today webinar is OCI Oracle Cloud Infrastructure exam registration and tips for preparing the exam. So, I have cleared actually autonomous database certification. That code is 0931. And Cloud Foundation, that code is 1085. Okay, so that's why I have mentioned these two exam only. Tomorrow I'm giving 1072 Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Associate exam. So guys, if you have any questions, please post in the chat room. So I will tell about that. And let's begin with. So as you know, I'm a DBA, I am certified, I am author. So almost I have 10 Oracle certifications in my bucket of DBA career. So recently two certification which I have cleared this month. And let's begin with this Oracle Cloud, hot technology and evergreen technology, and it will be long till the technology exists. Okay, so everyone is worried about their career. So this is the one technology which you can add in your CV so that you can grow and you can stable in your career. So Oracle Cloud is the one of the best cloud is in market. The number one is AWS, then Microsoft, then Google, and then Oracle. But actually, Oracle came very late in this technology, so that's why it is on fourth place, you can say. But gradually, it is increasing because you know Oracle is very big player in the database industry, and it is the leading database in the industry from so many years. Okay, and in top one Oracle and top two MySQL. Okay, so come to this Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So if you can see this figure, there is the foundation, which actually for anybody, either you are technical or either you are non-technical, you can go and you can give this exam. This basically will tell you about the cloud concept and about the cloud infrastructure concepts. So these two things you will get in the foundation. So for this foundation, you don't need any working experience. You don't need any technical background. So this is the first certification. By that you can enter in the cloud industry. So this is the paper, which is the code is 1085. And what are the things will come in the course? I will tell you in further slide. And then this Oracle Cloud infrastructure is divided in three sections. One is architect, one is operations, one is developer. So if you suppose you are a developer, so you can go with Oracle developer, cloud developer stream. There is only one paper, and that is associate. And if you are working for cloud operations, then you have only one paper, and then you can become Oracle certified associate. If you are going to architect level, where there is two exam, one is Oracle certified associate. So these three exam, associate operations, associate developer, associate architect, will require 6 months of experience, which basically tell to design and operate the cloud infrastructure services. Because whatever the things is there, I'm coming to that, Pavin Mishra. So these three papers require some 6 months of experience, then you can go. And the last one is, which is basically architect portions, and that is Oracle certified professional. That cost is almost 17,000, and it requires 12 months of extensive experience designing the large complex infrastructure using Oracle cloud infrastructure services. Okay, for DBA, the basic you can start from the foundation. Okay, and then you can go for ADB, autonomous database certification, which is not there in this figure. Okay, and then if you further you want to go to that, So you can go with architect portions where you have to give Oracle certified associate, that is 1072, and then Oracle certified professional, that is 997, I think. And so for DBA, this is the track you can go. So for DBA, I will recommend 4 papers. One is Oracle Cloud Certification Foundation, then Autonomous Database, then Oracle Certified Associate in Architect, Oracle Certified as a Professional in Architect. Okay, so this is the things which is there in cloud infrastructure. So my today agenda is I will tell you about the free training, from where you can get that, and then how you enroll, means what are the free certification is Oracle is giving, and where you have to start, and how to register for an exam, because this scheme started from 30th March, and after that I was giving tips to everyone through WhatsApp, through my audio. But later yesterday, 2 guys suggest me to go and make a session for this, and to upload on YouTube, because lots of guys are not able to register, not able to understand. So that's why I'm doing this. I hope it's clear till now. See, learning path. See, learning path is never stop. Okay, if suppose you are working in IT, so if you are stopping somewhere, it means you are nowhere in the industry. So learning is very important path for everybody. Either you are a DBA, or you are a developer, or you are a operations guy. Learning is very important. So that's why I have put this figure for learning. So see, there are many ways to learn. So it depends on you which path you want, on which path you can go. So that is about. So free learning, this is the training which Oracle is giving free, and this is the component Oracle is giving the certification free. So almost 70,000 cost of certifications are free for everybody in the world, wherever you are. And just I said, one is Oracle Database Specialist, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation, then Oracle Cloud Operations, then Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Developer, then OCI Architect Associate, then OCI Architect Professional. So these 6 papers you have to give. Okay, so my suggestion, if these 6 are free, so you have to appear for every papers. So why you are worried about to choose which and to submit what? Okay, so now come to this autonomous database. This is basically, if you are going with, so this is the one paper which is definitely for the DBA, and this will tell you about the architectural components of autonomous database, and it will tell you about how ADB integrates with Oracle Cloud Platform, and it is responsible for provisioning, managing, and monitoring autonomous database instance. And by this, you can able to migrate data into ATP and ADB instances, and you can understand how to use ADB with Oracle tools and third parties. So if you are appearing for this exam, so basically you will get these types of informations. And for certifications, paper code is 10931, and all the DBAs and consultant is the target audience, and platform is available on Oracle University, and the certification is delivered by the Pearson, and duration of this exam is 120 minutes, and exam cost right now it is free, but in terms of Indian rupees, it almost 10,500 with GST, and passing score is 63, and you will get 60 questions. So you have to solve these 60 questions in 2 hours. And what are the topics will come? So it has 6 chapters, and in first chapter it will tell about overview of autonomous, where you can describe the component, you can means typical flow of ADB, understand OCI architecture, describe how database security, and in second, migration and data loading into autonomous database. That is very good topic, because everybody is moving to cloud. So in every industry, everybody is looking for migration, cloud migration specialists, and monitoring autonomous database, provisioning and connectivity, and about managing and maintaining autonomous database, tools, reporting analysis using ADW autonomous data warehouse. So these are the 6 topics which comes in your exam, and you have to pass 63% in the exam, right? So now come to OCI Foundation, which is the first paper which everybody can give, and my suggestion, everybody should attend this paper. And this is basically the fundamental of cloud, where you will get the information what is cloud computing, what are the services cloud offers, like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So these 3 services is there, and what are the types of cloud: private, public, hybrid. Okay, so these are the things which you get over here. And in terms of certification detail, its code is 105, and it is launched in 2020. So that's why it's mentioned 20. And target audience is technical and non-technical professionals. And exam duration is little bit less, that is 105 minutes. And passing score is more, that is 60%. And again 60 questions will come. So this is about the details of the certification of foundation exam. And topics are cloud concept, how you will start with cloud infrastructure, then cloud infrastructure services, then security and compliance, then pricing, support, and operations. So these are the 5 topics will come in the exam. Okay, so any questions till now? My pace is okay, or it is very fast? Okay, Pawan, thank you. So now begin with this where to start, because lots of people have confusion about this. So when I click on this oracle.com education, so see guys, this is the learning things. Here you will get the step, and here you will get the access free learning of this. So suppose I am clicking the first exam, and just click and open in a new tab. So when I am opening in a new tab, yeah, so when you open this, so you will get this. And the first section which actually tell about the course. So this is 2 hours 54 minutes training. So if you are going for exam, so this training is very must. And in that, if you click, so here you will get 6 chapters. Okay, so one by one you can go and you can listen. Okay, so every topic has 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like this. So by that you can understand about this. And this is very important. So don't go anywhere, just listen this training first. And after that, if you want a practical, so just click on that, and you will get about the contents and everything in detail. And come to here, exam preparation guide. So that will come here. Okay, so like this you can go. Now how to book the exam, that is important. So there are many confusion in that. First, come to on this page and click on certification. So here code is there. So when you click on this, it will ask about the Oracle account. So guys, if you don't have any Oracle account, so first you have to create the Oracle account. Okay, otherwise you cannot access this training. So how to create the Oracle account? This is the education.oracle.com is the site where you can see login and create an account. So if suppose you are a new, so just click on this account, and this will ask about the personal email ID. Don't go with company email ID. Then password, then retype, then country, first name, second name, job title, work phone, company name, address, city, state, and zip code, and create account. So this is the way you can create the account. And if suppose you already have an account, so when I click this, so just sign in. Okay, when you sign in, so it will go to again that side where I have. So here, this is my ID. So I say sign in. So I will sign in, and now you can see here the name is displaying over here. Okay, so this is the way you are login. Now again click on this certification. Okay, so when you click on this certification link, now this time it will goes to Pearson website or Pearson site. So here you will put the username and password, right? So when I put my username and password, so see, uh, these things will come. Okay, so automatically your paper will come. But what people are doing, people are directly coming to this website and directly log in, and they are choosing the paper, and then after that they are going next. So on that time they will ask, this will ask the payment. So that is the biggest mistake many people are doing. So please remember that, don't go directly to the Pearson site, go with the training website from Oracle, and there you can click and then go. So this, when I say home, so it will say run pre-check. So you have to check this your system. So it will check your uh, headphone, your internet speed, and your webcam. So webcam is must. If webcam is not there, and yes, Janel, you are doing same mistake. Many people did that mistake. So now I'm not checking this pre-check. Okay, so next, when I say next, uh, it will ask about the policies acceptance. So 4 boxes is there. So just click 4 box. Then next, then see here paper is fees is coming. Now people are pasting messages to me that sir, this is not free. So just wait for that. This is the exam, this is the system requirement. So please be take care of this system requirement. And when you go for next, okay, so then it will ask about any other exam you want to give on same day. No, I say next, and then it will come for schedule. So I say 30th. So 30th will start tomorrow. So I have the slot of 3:15 a.m. right? But I don't want to give. So now I want to give later further. But now Oracle is stopped giving the slot after 15 May. Okay, earlier it was giving till October. So earlier it was 6 month duration. I actually booked my exam till July. So that's why I'm sure because of this. But now they have stopped. So now you have only 15 days to finish these 6 exams. So suppose I am taking on 6. So here many slots are available. So I'm a night guy. So I'm taking 11 p.m. Okay, so actually I passed this exam, so it is not allowing me to go further. Okay, so this is the way you can book your exam, and you can go for that. Okay, so just going back again. So see, these are my exam. This is I passed. One is cancelled because of my system error. So again I have booked and passed. Okay, and these 4 exams is pending. So I'm just logging off. Okay, so clear, this is the way you can go and book the exam. or should I show till last? Just uh, how to reschedule. Okay, I'm coming to that also. So this is home. This is very costly exam, almost 17,000 Indian rupees cost. So again, policy. So every time if you have to book exam, so just first go to see the price. So go to Oracle website, and from Oracle website come to Pearson. Otherwise, if you are directly going, so it will ask about the payment. So I am saying 15. So in 15, I have morning slots only available. Okay. So see that this 17, and in the below 0. So people are only seeing here and messages, doing messages to me. But go to end and see 0. So proceed to checkout. Again, it will ask to policies. So accept it, and then next, and then submit the order. So when you submit the order, this exam will book again. Okay. So this is the last step. So when you submit the order, you will get the confirmation in your mail and in your uh, this dashboard. Clear, guys? So I am just leave the page. Okay. So one guy questions me, can we book in advance for future dates with discount? See, discount is free, right? Right now it is free. So every exam is free. So your booking valid till 15 May, but that is not confirmed. You have to book today all 6 exam, and later on you can schedule your exam date 2 times. Okay. So my suggestion is book it today. Otherwise, if you are waiting for 14 or 13, so that is not the good thing according to me. Clear, guys? Now, one guy is asking about how to change the date, right? So just hold on. So this come. So just come to here. So it will ask again. So see, now I don't want a book. Is this? So this is dashboard. So when you click on dashboard, it will come here. So here my developer exam. So I will click on this. So see that reschedule button is there. So when you click on reschedule button, you will transfer to the date calendar. So there you can choose the date, new date and time if slot is available. If slot is not available, then you have to give. So see, my exam is booked on July 26. So earlier it was there slot. I booked on first week of April, around 3 or 4th April, I had booked this exam. So that's why I got this. Okay. Yeah. What is F? Actually, earlier it was giving 2 chance. If you see my dashboard, so every exam you have 2 chance. See, 10931 and then 1093F. So, but now if you are enrolling, so everyone will get only 1 chance. F means final, I think. Okay. So that is the difference. So now you have less opportunity. Earlier in my case I have two chance because I have booked. So this is the law. First come first win. Okay. You are waiting for late, so you have to suffer. That's why in every group I was saying book, 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 but nobody was listening. Now everybody is worried about this exam. Okay. So will this training itself sufficient to pass the exam? Boss, it will not sufficient, but if you do training full means understandable note, so yes, this training is sufficient at least for Oracle Cloud Foundation and for autonomous database. Okay, so that is about how to book the exam, right? Clear, guys? So these are the links, uh, Pearson.com, Oracle, this, and this is if you directly want to go, so I have that link, so directly you can click on that. Okay, so this will go to directly to this. Okay, paper wise, so you have to many ways to book for the exam, but my suggestion is oracle.com OJ question, go and you will get every training here, all 6. So click one by one and book it and start the content. And now how to register for the certification exam, I told already. If you don't have account, so just first create the Pearson VUE account. Okay, so that is very important. So you have two account is required. One is Oracle account, which I showed. Now here you see that sign in and create. So if suppose I am a new guy, so I say create account, and it will ask about agreement. Okay, so I say agree. There is a checkbox actually inside. So when I say agree, so it will ask about that. This is your first exam. So in first exam, you don't have testing ID. So if you are a new, so you will click on no. Okay, and after that you enter your prefix of the title, Mr., Miss, and Mrs. and Doctor, and name, first name, middle name, last name, and suffix, and email, and confirm email. So this is the form which you fill for new account. If suppose you already have, so you don't need to put, but you have to give your testing ID. Okay, so for creating a new account, no testing ID is required. Okay, suppose you are a prometric guy when Pearson was not there, so on that time this box is required. But now everybody is giving Pearson through Pearson, so everybody has Oracle testing ID. Okay, so clear, guys? What is the old order for this exam for freshers to experienced? I told in my slide, if you see, my suggestion is first go with Oracle Cloud Foundation exam. Okay, if you yeah, Cloud Foundation, then Database Specialist, then OCI Associate, OCI Professional. So these four is enough for the DBA. And if you want to more, then you can go for operations. And developer is for the coder or who develop the code. So this is the last. So this is the order. What about second attempt? Now no second attempt. Okay. If you booked in 1st April, or first week of April, then you have the chance, but now you don't have any chance because now many people are doing this, so that's why Oracle is stopped. Okay, so certification. Now what is the certification benefit, boss? uh, it will differentiate you because right now market is very tough and no company is giving certification fees and everything. So a company requires certified people. So suppose if you have, HR has 100 CVs and in that 20 are certified, so HR will call you only 20 guys. Okay, just to add one point here, the email ID must be same in Pearson account because the certificate will come to that email. No, it is not required. I'm coming to that. Okay, I'm coming to that way. but better you choose same email ID in Oracle account as well as in Pearson, but it is not necessary. Okay. But my suggestion is use one mail ID where you can collect the information, because you are the DBA and every day you are reading 700 mail and 800 mail. So you don't want to read personal mail. Okay, but that's why I'm suggesting. And certification is for validate your skill, well, means value. Then it will give you a badge. This is the badge which you can post on LinkedIn and everywhere, that I am this certified, I am this certified. Just like as I'm showing on my first page, I had done 10 certifications till now. Okay, now this is the very important. This brain dumps is selling everybody. Okay, so please don't do these things. Okay, and if you want a practice, so this is the free account. If you click on that, for free account, you have you can trial 30-day trial and $300 free credit. Up to 8 instance you will get, up to 5 TB of storage you will get. Okay, so you can do the practical up to 30 days for cloud free tier account which Oracle is giving. So use this facility. And I have posted here also. So in this way you can do the practical. Okay, so in autonomous database certification it will help a lot, and other certification it will help a lot. And also Oracle is giving exam in foundation. This is that 20 questions which you can take for the practice. Okay, so this is session timeout. Okay, don't worry. Here if you click on this, so here practice exam is there. So actually I have opened that, posted that link here. So if I say practice exam view content, so it will give you 20 question set. I am Oracle PSQL developer. Which are certification will be beneficial for me? If you are new, so first start with Cloud Foundation, that is 1085. Okay, and then you are PSQL developer, so you require database things also. So go with autonomous database certification, and then third one you can go for developer. So this is the types of question will come. What does compute instance vertical scaling means? Adding for like this. So this is the way you can do the practice. Okay, so this you will get on the main page. And then there are many certifications practice set available. You can take this practice exam. So these 3 reasons to take certificate. So these are the practice exam which you can take it. Okay, in Java, in other. Okay, so that you can take it. Then you can read the books resources from. So you have the documentation, you have the white papers. So you can come here and read that. And so this is the link which will tell you about every available certifications in Oracle Cloud. We have PaaS, SaaS. In SaaS we have almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms, and this is infrastructure. So this is the way you can select your available certification further. Okay, so this is the certification. And now after the exam, so before the exam, this is the cert view, which is actually Oracle site where you will get the result. Okay, so in that you will get the your exam result after 30 minutes, but it will come in 15 minutes 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the URL. By that you can. So but if you are new, so you have to authenticate the account first. Okay, so in that you have to give the your testing ID and Pearson mail ID. So after that this account will be authenticated, and then you can log in. So this is my account. and the latest result will come like this. So my exam was last exam was my autonomous database, so that will come. So see, luckily I got 92%, so I had given on 22 April. So this is the way you will get the result of your exam after giving it. Okay. And also after 24 hours you will get the that badge. Okay, and that result of e-certificate. So if you want to see the e-certificate, so that is available here. Just a second. So this is the certificate you will get after 24 hours. So you will get the confirmation in your mail. Okay, here guys. Now if you have any problem, so this is the Oracle site where you can contact. And if you have any problem regarding your exam didn't start and you want to reschedule, you get some error, so you have to write the mail by this link. Okay, so that when you click on this link, it will open a form. So in this form, you can fill it. So you can describe your question, your exam program, Oracle, first name, last name, phone, email, country, this. So all the information you have to fill, and uh, uh, how to download the batch, you will get the mail. Okay. So this is the link I had given to everyone. Okay. So please save it. Okay. So this is required. And if you have anything regarding your CertView authentication, so this is the contact from the Oracle side. So you have to contact to Oracle. So that link also I am giving. So make sure that please save that link. And this is the documents which you can read for this exams and everything. Okay, so this is the database concepts book. Here you will get everything. If suppose you want to autonomous, so this autonomous section is there. So in autonomous you can read it. So this is the perfect link for autonomous. And if you want to do workshop for autonomous, so this is the link for autonomous workshop. Okay, so live virtual classes, 14 events, 2 days classroom training also available. And if you want to migrate, you want to become expert in migrate, so you can go on this. So here live virtual classes, 13 events, 2 days. So this is also. And this is the cloud service learning things, where you will get all the information about this, so you can check it. And the last one is unlimited cloud learning. So Oracle documentation is excellent in any database prospect, in any technology prospect. So Oracle documentation is the one of the best documentation I have seen in my career. Okay, so this is the way where you can get everything. So these are the links which I have added. And for infrastructure, any question guys? So these are the services. And unlimited cloud learning, so this is chargeable, but take it if you want further. And this is very important. I had given 5,000 pages book, so please read that page, that book. It will cover 7 exam. Okay, so that is very good book. And also I had given 200 pages book, that is also very good. And for OC8 I had given short notes of associate. So that are the things. So thank you guys. This is about what I want to tell you and share you. So I hope your doubt is clear, your registration is clear, and your certifications, exams, and these things is clear. So 15 May is last date of registration. Yes, after 15 May, link will be expire, so you cannot register. So why you are waiting for 15? Because on 15 you can give only one exam because no slot is available. So just book it today or tomorrow. All 6 exam book it, and later you can reschedule. But you can reschedule till 15 May because no slot is available after 15 May. Those who booked on 1st April, they are lucky. So see, this is not the end of cloud journey. So you have to go very long. Okay, so that's why I have put this figure. Luckily I got it. Okay, so you have to walk on the cloud, then you will get the success. Okay, so thank you guys. Any questions, any doubt, you can ask so that I can answer. Yeah, thank you, Yegawali. And thanks for your feedback. Yeah, one important thing is that if you like my presentation or my things, so you can give me the feedback. But people didn't give the feedback actually. Only 10 guys give the feedback. So this is my feedback link. And if you want to say something, you want to ask something, you can give in contact form. And if you want to register further sessions, so this is my link. Okay, so that is about my Oracle Ride things. Thank you, Mohit Paji. So any questions, guys?
This
I'm
conference
giving.
will now be recorded.
See, in exam actually, before, suppose my exam booked at 11 p.m. So just log in onto Pearson site directly and just log in 15 minutes before. And after that in dashboard, click the link. Just hold on, I'm showing. Thank you, Gulzaman. Can you please schedule the session? See, actually Ramzan is going on. So this is the free time after all namaz and everything. In day, I can't take it. Because I hope you understand. Earlier, I was taking at morning and night 2 sessions, but right now I don't have time. So that's why this night time will cover Indian people also and foreign people also. So that's why I have taken this 11 p.m. Okay, so sign it. Actually, yesterday my exam is there. So I will take a snapshot and then I was about to tell that. So now this is my exam. So I'm clicking on that. Okay, so here you will get the tab begin exam. So when you say begin exam, so it will open a window. In that you will get the code, and in second you will get the software link that install it. So that is one view software. So it is executable file. So when you install it, means download it and install it, it will open a page. In that page it will say check the system. So it will check your mic, internet and webcam again, and then it will give the window where you have to put the mobile number and accept the things. Then again it will switch to next window where you will get your link where you want. So if you say text you want, so it will ask about the mobile number. So give the mobile number which is registered in Pearson, and then when you click on that, So you will get one message in mobile. When you open that message in mobile, it will open a link in that message. So when you click on that link, it will open a window and it will ask about take the snapshot of yours, so you can take it your selfie, and after that it will upload, and after that it will ask about the ID. So in ID it will give too many things: passport, driving license. So if suppose I am choosing the passport, so when you choose passport, it will ask to click the passport photo. So first page where name and picture is there, so both should be clear. Take a snapshot. When you take a snapshot, it will give cross and right click on your mobile. So when you click the right click, so it will upload the photo. Then it will ask about laptop photo. So front laptop photo, back laptop photo, left laptop photo, right laptop photo. So all the angles photo it require, and you upload all the things from mobile. So when you last upload all the photo of laptop, then it will ask to say that go to laptop and refresh the page. So when you come to laptop, you will say refresh. So it, if everything is okay, so it will open a window. In that, webcam will be on and recording will be started, and in the left side message is written there, your proctor will come in 10 to 15 minutes, wait for that. Okay, and your recording will start. So my suggestion is that don't go anywhere, because they will cancel your exam. So if you required anything, just take it and then do the things. Okay, and in the exam your total webcam will be on, no movement. They are watching to you guys. Okay, and on your table, on your bed, wherever you are sitting, no books, no notes, no pen is there. Okay, so that is the things. And when you start the after 10 to 15 minutes, proctor will come and it will ask, it will run automatically the script. If suppose anything happened, then it will come to chat room, and after that they will call you, and in call they will discuss the problem and they solve it and they run again the script. In my case, on first day, GoToMeeting is installed on my laptop. So because of that, there is G2M launcher executable file of GoToMeeting was creating problem. But on that day, customer care executive was not supportive. So they run away and I waited for 2 hours. So on that day, my exam was cancelled. But second day again, after 10 days, my this autonomous exam, again same thing was happening. But on that time I got a female counselor, so she helped a lot. Then I searched on the internet, then I got it that GoToMeeting software is creating the problem. So I uninstalled all the software which is related to training. But in my case, GoToMeeting was there, so I uninstalled GoToMeeting, and after that script she run and my exam window come. Then after that she disconnect the call, and then I started my paper. So when I finished the paper, then I close everything, and then after 10 minutes I check on CertView, my result was there. So this is the thing about exam day which you will face. Clear?